Bodosa. Let's take us a moment to praise its journey. Today is not just an anniversary, it's a day to embrace, a tribute to the first dreamers, the visionaries whose dedication laid the foundation of this holy place, and to all the parents and the 7 students who believed in Bodosa when it was just a budding dream. I thank them all because it made everything that followed possible today. To all the students who are now held in Bodosa's embrace, I urge you to maintain the dignity that this place holds. And now today I present you my poem, Ascension. A sleepless night bloomed a dream. In its own sky, the brightest sun began to shine. On a patch of earth, a handful of hopes were planted. 4 quiet brains stayed awake with care, cradling the dream with through the hush of light. By morning, 7 wings unfolded that very spot, each one gently guided, each one gently nurtured. Blood and sweat ran down the path of growth, and from that first step, a legacy was born, one that still walks with pride. Every footsteps echoed the anthem of unity. What began with 7 wings now soars with hundreds of hearts. In Bodosa, dreams no longer sleep. They race, they rise, they return, like the flocks of lost birds finding their sky again. In this home of learning, life finds life again in the dream of 100 dreamers. Guiding each dream like a charioteer, Bodosa itself on its soul the Gayatri mantra of sacred promise. Here flows a quiet river of ethics, of discipline. Softly it carries the untold truths beneath the surface, living behind the skin, reaching the soul. Even the most mischievous soul steps forward on the morning stage, bows with a folded hand, Suprabhat Pranam, and paints the dormant hidden talents with the colors of awakening. Slowly the fear within begins to fade. The one who once stammered can now lead the Honibura Sora with pride. Once a student burdened with failure came, but as he embraced the place, making his home, the scars of shame began to fade. Now he finds the path of dreams in every page of the textbook, a path that thousands can follow forward, turning their deepest dreams into reality in quiet euphoria. Today, as we gather in celebration, we carry the footsteps of those first dreamers. Bodosa is no longer just a place, it's a spirit, a sanctuary, and a spark, a home where every dream gets a name and every name becomes a story. They dreamed it, we lived it, you carry it. This is Bodosa, this is Ascension. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ থাকিল বড়োচা সিনিয়ৰ ছেকেণ্ডেৰী স্কুলৰ সহশিক্ষক শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ জ্যোতিময় খাটোৱাল দেৱলৈ। খুব সুন্দৰকৈ তেখেতে কবিতা পাঠ কৰিলে। এই